Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. I am doing fabulous. It's 9 a.m. in the morning here in Stockholm, and today is going to be a very hectic day. I have some PR packages that needs to be unboxed, and I thought I'm going to do the vlog, so I'm gonna unbox it there. But first, let's do some breakfast, which is just simple smoothie. Yeah, come with me.
One for the money, two for the boss, and your mini Machiavelli. Them man don't say okay, don't know belly, but they say they don't hungry. I see one for the money, two for the boss, and your mini Machiavelli. Them man don't say okay, don't know belly, but they say they no go green. Which can't get through, I never drop. Mocha bala, mo sing hip hop. When they see me, they no fit talk. When they see me, they got shut up. Which can't get through, I never drop. Mocha bala, mo sing hip hop. When they see me, they no fit talk. When they see me, they got shut up. Oh yeah, we the fun pass where we do. I say we be chairman where we do. We the fun king where we do. We be honorable where we do. I say we the fun pass where we do. We be chairman where we do. We the fun king where we do. We be honorable where we do. Tell me, who on the phone boss? Acting versa Shakiri, we know the gun boss. 2 seconds, start wallet by everywhere, just boss. The rap will learn like say we the jump boss. This is the level me to change. Go and fake back kill shit. Nigga to cheat the marry me show. If I pixie, you blame me only pleasy. Don't do me like this, your kid on my blow. On my city celebrity. To think where we do, then they complain. Don't die your guy not to frustrate me. Yeah, I did judge for my learning. Could you a leg but down to costain? Yeah, they complaining. Don't die your guy not.
I'm almost done with the laundry. Can you see me? Yeah. I'm just going to
When they see me, they got shut up. Boy, I'm with the fun pass where we do. I say we be chairman where we do. We the fun king where we do. We be honorable where we do. I say we the fun pass where we do.
Doing the laundry is like therapeutic for me. I love it. I don't know, I love it. I just love it. Love being here. It's my thing. Let me show you how obsessed I am. Only white, gray, black, and a big color. And you do not wash these together, like never. White for whites, gray for grays, and black for black. You wash this alone. Yes. Hello friends, so right now it's time to unbox all the PR packages and goodie bags. Let's start. And seriously. Okay. Anyways, let's start. I'm super excited. I'm super thankful at the same time, and I can't wait to play all these projects. Okay, anyways, we're going to start with this one and see what's inside. I'm super excited. Oh my god. Bästa Idmanluula av solen med hjälp av detta härliga sommarkit från AK. Helt klart sommarens must have. Oh. Anyways, I got sent these products. Last but not least, they sent sun spray. Oh my god, I wanted this. I wanted this. Ja, Sweden gick ju Sverige. Tack så hemskt mycket. And next is this one. What is in here? Ah! I'm so excited. Let's open it together. Oh my god, guys. Some more eco products, or aqua, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna fix it later, so let me. This is a rebalancing night cream, and then they also send Borfine day cream and the night balm. I think this is their new series of products, and I can't wait to try it. I actually needed to try some new products, and it had, oh, we forgot one last product, and it is primer. I haven't tried this brand yet, but I am so excited to try. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, next. Next we got this Dr. Brandt. Dr. Brandt? Okay, something like that. Yes, I haven't tried this brand yet, but I'm going to try it, and I'm super excited. Please focus now. We don't have time. The camera is giving me a hard time as usual, but this is a primer actually. It's a primer, and this is needles no more. It says no more baggage. This visibly reduces the look of under eye bags, dark circles. And this one is moisturizer for night. Thank you so much. And then we got, oh my god, what is this? No way. Some more. There's some more eco products. Wait, what? No way. Some more eco products, y'all. I love it. Thank you. Next, my friends, is this beauty bag, and it says, let me read it for you. This is always exciting. Like, I love reading this kind of stuff. So yeah, it says, bästa Idman, här kommer en limited edition beauty bag med härliga hårprodukter från Idmanluula. 100% vegans och cruelty free. Perfekt för sommaren. Kram at Idmanluula, Stockholm. Thank you guys so much. It really made my day when I saw it yesterday, and I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna try new products. Wow, the packaging looks amazing. Yes, I actually tried their products I'm not gonna lie, I love it. I love their hair conditioner. I love their shampoos. I love everything, and it also comes in a traveling kit, shampoo and conditioner. I love it. Thank you guys so much. I love you for this. Oh my god, to use this bag like for makeup or, you know. Oh my god. Okay guys, the fun part, the best thing ever is hey, yo, no, Nurse. This is my little baby. My little baby. Hi, my name's Idmanluula, huh? Nurse X appeal or X orgasm. They did not come to play with their packaging. Ta-da! Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, do you guys want to see? I can't wait a little sneak peek. I want to say, anyways. I can show you a little. See the blush or cheek palette. It even like sounds very luxurious, you know what I mean? Luxurious. Why am I super bright? Am I super bright like that, or is it? I shouldn't have this. I don't know. Anyways. Oh my god. Shut up. Are you kidding me? Oh my god, no. Oh my god. Wow, like wow. I love it 100%. Yes, it's a yes for me. Well guys, thank you so much for all these amazing products. And now it's time to wrap it up, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment for more videos. Tell me in the comment section what kind of videos you guys want to see next time, inshallah.